Hey guys, I hope you got your Rover bikes in good condition. So basically today what I'll be doing is unboxing it and putting it together. First off, what you're gonna need is some clippers so you could cut the box open, just like this. You could also use a knife. Cut that open. And then after, you should just be able to lift the box open like so. Just like this. You want to take off all the packaging. Hey guys, so once you get all the packaging off, basically your bike will be folded. What you want to do is you want to lift up the rear end, and then what you want to do is unfold it by stretching it out like this. And then once it's like this, there is a black lever. Let's see, what you want to do, the black lever's right here. You just want to push it in, and then you should hear a click. And once you hear a click, then the bike is unfolded. And then for the bars, basically, you're gonna see your bars basically right here, close to the ground, like this. What you want to do is pick it up, and there's also, I don't know if you can see the stem right here, this bar right here. What you want to do is get this bar and attach it inside right here. So you want to do it like this, and what you want to do is you want to twist it until it pushes in. Once it pushes in, push it in all the way like that. And then what you want to do is actually lift up this bar exactly like this. Then there's another lever right here, the one that looks exactly like this one back here. What you want to do is push it in. Once you hear that click, then it's all good to go. And then what you want to do is, there's a lever right here. You want to lock it, whatever position you want. We have different positions for your different height. What you want to do is lock it at any position you want. And also, there might be some cables that are not connected, like this one. Basically what you want to do is all you have to do is connect them, and then you should be all set. But other than that, the bike is basically pretty much already assembled. The box is actually for the charger, and other than that, it's all good to go.